If you want more visibility, start showing up in rooms that aren't yours. Your next follower is probably commenting on someone else's post right now. Most creators think visibility only comes from posting more. But here's the truth. Sometimes progress doesn't start on your page. It starts in the comment sections of other creators. I have been using this, replying to comments of engagers of another creator. It's not my account. It's not my page. When you reply to engagers of other creators, you are not stealing attention. You are building presence. Those people are already active, engaged, interested in that niche, which means they are warm audiences. But here's the key. Don't spam. Don't promote. Don't drop check my page. Instead, number 1, add value to the conversation. Number 2, ask thoughtful follow-up questions. Number 3, share insights. Number 4, encourage their perspective. When people see your name consistently, adding value, curiosity builds, and curiosity leads to profile visits. Profile visits lead to followers. Followers lead to community. Visibility is not just about content distribution. It's about conversation. It's about positioning. If you're only talking on your own page, growth will be slower. But if you become recognizable in just other niche comment sections, you expand your digital footprint. Attention is earned in public conversations.